Today I'm going to share my favorite recipe using tomatoes. So I harvested several pounds of tomatoes from my garden yesterday. And if you have tomato plants, when they are ripened, they all ripen at the same time. So you usually end up having a lot of tomatoes. Some people like to freeze them, like to make salsa, tomato soup. There are so many tomato dishes that you can make. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite tomato dish, and it's my comfort food, and the ingredients are so simple. Just tomatoes, some jalapeno, or if you don't like spicy food, use peppers instead, and garlic and ginger. That's it. You can consider it as Chinese style salsa. Just eat with some tortilla chips. I like to just eat with rice. I can eat several bowls of rice with a little bit of those tomato sauce. Or you can eat it with pasta. It makes fantastic pasta. So let's dive into it. Here are all the ingredients you need. Feel free to take a screen capture. I will also put the recipe in the description below. If you cannot eat spicy food, I recommend to use just one jalapeno and one non-spicy pepper instead, just like the Anaheim pepper. The first step is chop up all the vegetables. You need to dice the tomatoes and chop the jalapeno into the size on the screen. If you don't like to be too spicy, remove the seeds, but I like to eat spicy food, so I'm keeping them all. And then you're going to mince the ginger and garlic as fine as possible. You can put them all together or you can separate them. It does not matter. Now we have all the vegetables ready and we are going to cook. Turn the heat to medium-high, and when the pot is hot, add oil. Sauté the ginger and garlic. My mom is sautéing the ginger first and then garlic second, but you can do it all at the same time, or garlic first and ginger the second. Order does not matter. You can smell the fragrance and you see the color is turning yellow and brown. Then it's time to add the jalapeno. You will sauté it for another minute. And then you will add all the tomatoes in. Mix them well and cook until soft. If you want your final product to be more liquid, then put the lid on. If you want it to be on the thicker side, take the lid off and you will cook about 4 minutes. Last, add the salt to taste. Tomatoes could be sour, it depends on the variety. So add sugar if you would like to. I usually add 1 tablespoon of sugar for 500 grams of tomatoes. I hope you guys like this video or like this dish. If you ever get a chance to try it and cook it, make sure leave a comment down below or just share some photos with me through Instagram and Facebook. If you have any other videos that you want to see, any vegetables that you would want me to talk about, or you're just curious how Asian or how Chinese cook that vegetable, please leave a comment down below too, and I'm happy to share some recipes with you. Alright, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to this channel. And make sure you hit that bell notification so that you will be the first one to get notified when I have new video up. Alright, I will see you in my next one.